OpenClaw wins on three things. 1. The catalog. There's over 50,000 skills and plugins on ClawHub. Google Workspace, web scraping, image generation, accounting, you name it. Somebody packaged it up and you get to install it with one click from the dashboard. Hermes has a much smaller library and it grows from your own usage. Great long term, but day one, Hermes has a thinner toolbox. One gotcha I'll come back to, that catalog has a security story you need to know about. 2. Provider variety. OpenClaw supports more than 50 AI providers natively. Anthropic, OpenAI, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, plus local models through Ollama and dozens more. Hermes Setup Wizard gives you a short list. OpenRouter, Anthropic, OpenAI, Nous Portal, Ollama, and the rest you reach through OpenRouter. 3. The dashboard. OpenClaw ships with a polished web dashboard out of the box. Hermes is CLI first. There's an optional dashboard you can install as an extra, but it doesn't ship in the default install. For a beginner, OpenClaw feels like a tool you can browse, Hermes feels like a tool you can talk to. So that's the OpenClaw camp. There's a bigger catalog, more native providers, and a friendlier UI.